Hello and welcome back to our video tutorials, and we are now on recording accession transactions. Alright, so let's quickly log in. Alright. And you can see our dashboard is building up very well. It's now showing that there's one material register, one passport data, and one accession actually that has been captured. So that's why you see the three lines are now, the three bars are now equal in height. Alright, so what are accession transactions? Let's go to our register item, which is this one here. You can see now it shows one passport, one accession right there. So we go to view details, and then you can see this is the accession we are dealing with, DRC001. Please, the accession is at the bottom here, so no looking it up there. What is up there is actually the register detail, the details of the register. We got it from the Green Farm, and the collection institution is the Research Institute, and this is a scientific name of maize, and we can have several scientific names. I can see the Portuguese and the French name for maize, as well as the common name maize. Again, it's a scientific name. We have the country of origin, we have depositor, we have working group and stuff like that. So what we are looking at for an accession is the one down here, this line, which means you have to go and click on view details. Alright, so if we click on stock balances, you can see that all our stock regarding that particular accession are actually zero. The balances or the totals here are actually zero, which means we haven't added any transactions yet. We haven't stored anything actually about this particular accession. So let's go ahead and store some stuff. So we go to stock update, and then we pick the stock type, and in this case we'll start with bulk bags. Now you have to be aware of okay, so I'm picking addition here because we are not subtracting, we are actually adding stock to the storage. And we say we are adding maybe 5 bulk bags. Okay, 2 bulk bags. Maybe 5 will be too much. Then if we are putting them in a carton, we could say carton number 16. And then the storage, remember we entered a freezer number of 25 in our earlier video to do with preparing for data input. So this is the 25, the freezer number 25 showing up on this on this form here. So it's very, very important for us to actually understand this. Now, why is the storage facility on the transaction and not on the accession? Because if one freezer is full, you can actually separate, have bulk bags in one freezer and have the 4 bags in another freezer. So that should be possible. The date that we are storing this particular these bulk bags, the 2 bulk bags, into that freezer is again the 26th. So we can quickly go ahead and save. Alright, then whatever you save will actually show here. Bulk bags, 26th February 2020, no remarks. Storage facility is number 25, carton number is 16, it's an addition, and we have that quantity. If we go to stock balances, we can now see that the system now knows that we've got 2 bulk bags for this particular accession. So let's go ahead and put in 4 bags as well. So we have some 4 bags, and we are adding, maybe we are adding 10 4 bags. And the carton could be a different carton this time around. And the freezer can still be the same. And that's it. We save again. So that is how easy it is to actually be able to update stock. If you intend to do a minus, for example, if you discover that these distribution bags are no longer 10, they are 9 for some reason, then you are going to go ahead and say update stock. you say these are distribution for bags, and you say subtracting 1 because you cannot see 1, and this is from that carton where you are actually. So when you enter that, it will show that this is a subtraction of 1 out of that 10 because you cannot see the 4 bag. 1 4 bag you cannot see. If you go to balances now, you'll be able to see that it's still showing the 2 bulk bags, but now you have 9 4 bags because you just confirmed that actually 1 couldn't be seen. So that's why I've recorded it as a subtraction because we cannot account for it where it is. And ladies and gentlemen, this is all you need to know about adding transactions to our Accession. So thank you very much. We will see you in the next video talking about storage labels. Thank you.
Nice.